Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna present the way I use to memorize all I want to memorize. First, what do you want to memorize? It might be English vocabulary or all you want to memorize. First, logic. For me, this is English word for improve my English and speak English, and it's also my lessons. 2. Did you revise things and you will forget it months later? First, for memorize anything, you must revise it, but not a normal revision. A revision in spaced repetition. What is spaced repetition? This is a method for memorizing for long term. Yes, I serious. Example. I revise a word. A book. This is a book. Some day later, you reactivate it by revising it. It's logic. As reactivation success are achieved, the spacing become more and more widely spaced. But you must not calculate this. You can use Anki. Boom, boom! What is Anki? This is a free flashcard software using the spaced repetition method. It's really practical because you can study anywhere with your phone. You can create your own flashcard and you can also import flashcard from the internet. It's a gift. I put tech in the link of the description. This is English vocabulary for beginner and intermediate. 3. To revise more quickly, I recommend you to use multisensory method. It's not complicated. Please don't quit the video. For our example, I want to revise a book. This is a book. I imagine a book in my head. I memorize the form of the book. I understand. I say it. You understand? In fact, you just use many of your senses as possible. Just use your imagination. 4. Of course, your health is very important. You must exercise regularly and you must have a good sleep. You need to sleep at least 6 hours per night. Yes, 6 hours. Not 6 hours in your bed. 6 hours of sleep. If you want, I will make a complete sleep guide. The outro. Thanks for watching and see you to the next video. If you have any recommendation, you can comment it in the comment logic. Bye. Bye bye.